Hello everyone, welcome to my online geography class KSK Geography. As we are doing the map works and every video we are doing some new map features. And remember, these map features, how I am showing it here, you need to do exactly in same way for your exam. Then no one can cut your marks. So let's start the map work. Today in this video we are going to do the water bodies as well as the wind direction. So let's start with water bodies first. Remember, according to your syllabus, these are the water bodies are there: Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat, Gulf of Mannar, Palk Strait, Andaman Sea, Chilka Lake and Ular Lake. And as you can see, there are three gulfs are there. There are three gulfs: the Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat, Gulf of Mannar. One Palk Strait is there. Another one sea is there, that is Andaman Sea, and there are two lakes, that is Chilka Lake and Ular Lake. If we divide those things, the water bodies in that manner, that it will be easy for you. So let's start with the Gulf. Remember, the water bodies you need to mark. The water bodies you need to mark, that it will be with blue color. The blue color, that mostly they are in southern part, right? Mostly they are in the southern part. So let's start with Gulf of Kutch. Remember, Gulf of Kutch is located in between the Rajasthan and Gujarat, that narrow portion. So you have to mark this part, that is the Gulf of Kutch. Next one, Gulf of Khambat. Remember where the Narmada and Tapi river join. So this curved portion, it will be there, Gulf of Khambat. Remember, the blue color, it should not enter the Indian landmass, right? And next one, the Gulf of Mannar. Gulf of Mannar is located in between India and Sri Lanka. So this portion you need to mark, that is Gulf of Mannar. Now let's go for the another one, that is called Palk Strait. Remember, Palk Strait you need to mark with arrow marks. This means the narrow gap in between the water bodies which connect the two big water bodies, right? That is called Palk Strait. Remember, Palk Strait is located in between the India and Sri Lanka, this portion. So that you need to mark with arrow marks like this. You will show with the arrow marks, and there you need to write the Palk Strait here. Next one, that only one sea is there, that is Andaman Sea. And Andaman Sea you need to mark with the blue color, just eastern part of Andaman Islands. So this area you need to shade, right? This area you need to shade, that is the Andaman Sea. You need to shade it completely, right? That will be for Andaman Sea, right? And next one, that is the two lakes are there according to syllabus, that is the Chilka Lake and Ular Lake. So Chilka Lake, it will be there below the Mahanadi river. Here you can see the curve. So this portion you need to mark it. Remember, the lake you need to make it with oval shape, that it will be there with blue color. And another one, that is the Ular Lake. Remember, Ular Lake you need to mark. For that, you need to remember the river, that is the Jhelum river. Just the topmost part of the Jhelum river, this particular point only, you need to mark it with oval shape, that it will be for the Ular Lake. That's it for the water bodies. Now, let's go with some other features. As I said, we will do the wind direction also. So, let's start the wind direction now. So there is the wind direction. According to your syllabus, there will be southwest monsoon, under southwest monsoon, that it will be divided into two parts, right? Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. That you have done in the climate of India chapters, right? So there will be no problem. Next one, the northeast monsoon and western disturbances. Remember, these are the wind direction. You need to mark it here. So for that wind direction, remember over the Arabian Sea, that it will be Arabian Sea branch. Here you can mark with any color, you need to show with the arrow marks, right? And remember, the arrow marks, it will be not straight, north to south or south to north, it will be little bit tilted. So over the Arabian Sea, you need to mark for Arabian Sea branch, like, so here you need to mark like this, arrow marks like this. So this is the Arabian Sea branch. Remember, for Bay of Bengal branch, that is also the part of southwest monsoon. Here you need to be a little bit careful. It will also go from southwest toward the northeast, but make sure it will go first like this and after coming to the Arakam Hills or Myanmar, it will take bend and it will be like this. So you have to be very careful for making those curved line. So that will be for Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon. Remember, next one, the northeast monsoon. Remember, for northeast monsoon, it will come from northeast toward the southwest. So for that, you can mark it the similar way arrow marks but in opposite direction, like so this one is the northeast monsoon like this. So this part, remember, any one arrow marks for wind direction you need to mark, so you don't need to be confused about the space and the colors things, right? Next one, the western disturbances. Remember, western disturbances affect the Punjab, Haryana and some part of Himachal Pradesh, right? So you remember the climate of India chapters, so it will start from the Mediterranean Sea, it will come over the Indian northwestern part. So northwestern part, basically this area, Punjab, Haryana, this area. So the arrow direction, it should finish it here. So it will come from the Mediterranean Sea. So you have to mark like this. So it will come like this and it will finish it here. That is the western disturbances, right? So here you can write western disturbances. That's it for the wind direction. So the four wind direction, Arabian Sea branch over Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal branch over Bay of Bengal. Make sure it will come up to the Myanmar or the Arakam Hills and then it will take wind, right? And the northeast monsoon, that it will come from the northeastern states or Tibetan side toward the southwest side, and the last one, the western disturbances, that it will affect the northwestern part of India, so it will finish in this part. Here it creates rain during the winter season, and that's why this Punjab, Haryana is famous for rabi crop cultivation. That's it for today. And for new map pictures, you need to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.